single structure is hyphae and a group or network of hyphae is mycelium. So here are some examples: slime molds and mushroom. So this is a mushroom and we have seen why is this a fungi, and this is the slime molds. So the kingdom fungi is further divided into two divisions. The first division is aseptate and the second division is septate. Please repeat once again: aseptate and septate. Aseptate. These organisms are not divided into cells by septa. Septa means a wall. So these organisms are not divided into cells. There is no individual cells. Only a single cell performs every action. Septate. These organisms are divided into cells by septa. So this is a group of cells which performs life processes. So now we have completed learning about the kingdom fungi. Now let us learn what are the importance of biological classification. So if we classify organisms, we can easily identify them. Makes study easy and convenient. So if we classify that organism, we will know about that organism more and more. We can identify it more and more. Hence it makes its study more easy and convenient. It helps in establishing evolutionary relationship between organisms. So if we study an organism, we can come to know about their ancestors. And if we study more animals, we can come to know that they have a common ancestor or something like that. Hence it helps in establishing evolutionary relationship between organisms. Thank you friends. Let's meet in the next session.